Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have solved my previous videos assignment problem. In this video, we are going to solve another type of problem on profit and loss. So where student usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to solve this type of problems, I will teach you such techniques so that you will be able to solve this type of problems without touching pen and within 5 to 10 seconds. So without further ado,
आइए देखते हैं बैठचंद मजा आएगा ये
so students, before I start, please stop this video and please try to solve this question. At least try to find the data what is given. Okay, so I hope you have extracted the data. Now for those who are not able to find it, I will solve for them. So a man bought 80 books at rupees 12 per each. Sir, whenever it is said that bought na, this is my cost price. Okay, so what is my cost price? So cost price of 18 books at 12 rupees, which is nothing but 18 multiplied by 12. Sir, 18 multiplied by 12 is nothing but 960. Okay, then what is they saying that he was supposed to sell each book at rupees 16.5 rupees, but ended up selling the first 30 books at rupees 40 rupees. That means his estimated price was estimated selling price, rather I will say estimated selling price of 80 books was nothing but 18 multiplied by 16.5. So what is 18 multiplied by 16.5? We can also do that 165 multiplied by 8. Now 8 5s are 40. Now this goes to 4 this side. Now 5 6 are how much? 30. Now 30 is nothing but that 2 5 40. Okay, so it will become 34. So 34 goes to, it's nothing but by 1320. Okay, the fast calculation by the practice. Okay, so this is my estimated price. But what happened, you know, I have sold 30 books at 40 rupees. That means my selling price of first 30 books was 40 rupees for each book. That means 30 multiplied by 40. Sir, 30 multiplied is 40 how much? 30 multiplied by 40 is how much? 14 threes are you do. 14 multiplied by 2 how much? Tell me. Yes, you are right. This is nothing but by 420. Okay, and now what they are saying, at what price per book should he sell the remaining books what to recover the expected profit? Correct. I am sold it this, you know, at this much loss. So that how much should I increase the price so that my estimated profit, that means my this will recover. So simple. So if my estimated price was this and till now I have gained 420 rupees, that means how much money should I have? 1320 minus 420. Okay, which is nothing but, tell me now, 1320. Tell me now, 900. So selling price which I want now. So how much books are remaining? So 30 books I have already sold. So 80 books are there. So 15 books. So selling price of 15 books. Okay, 15 books is nothing but my 900. Correct. Sir, 900 is there. So for how many books, sir? Sir, for 15 books. Sir, 900 by 50. So this 0 and this 0 goes 5. 19 by 5 is how much? 18. So this is my price per book he sell. This is my answer. Now I should sell 15 books at rupees 80 so that I will get my 900 rupees. Students, this is how everyone solves. But I told you na, you will be able to solve this type of problems without touching pen. How can we solve this? Now look at me. Look at me. What they are saying, a man bought 80 books at rupees 12 per each hat. Correct. My estimated price per was 16.5. but I sold at 40 rupees. I have estimated how much? 16.5, but I sold at 40. That means how much loss I have got? 16.5 minus 40. Correct? So what is 16.5 minus 40? Can I say it is nothing but my 2.4, 2.5? Sir, this 2.5 wala loss, that means I have got 2.5 less per book for how many books? For 30 books, because I have sold all the 40 rupees for 30 books. Okay. So that means, students, I should recover now how much value? This 2.5 over how many books? This is nothing but this over 30 books. This is my loss over 2.5 is my loss over 30 books, which is nothing but my 75. And now this 75 I should recover over how many? Remaining 15 books. 75 by 50, which is nothing but my 1.5. Now this much value should I increase from my estimated value so that I will get my expected profit. So my estimated price was 16.5 and my this recover value is 1.5. So 16 point plus 1.5 is nothing but my 80. So this is my answer. I will repeat. Sir, I have estimated 16.5, but I have sold first 30 books at 40 rupees. That means I am getting 2.5 rupees less for 30 rupees. Sorry, 30 books. Sir, 30 multiplied by 2.5 is nothing but my 75. So 75 is my total less amount I have got. Okay. So this 75 I have to recover on how many books? On how remaining 15 books, 50 books. So 75 divided by 50 is nothing but my 1.5. Sir, this much value should I increase from my estimated value so that I will get my expected profit? So 16.5 plus 1.5. Okay, students, which is nothing but 80. So if you have not understood, watch it again. You will definitely get, and this is the fastest way. There is no another way to solve this problem. This is the fastest way. So you should watch it again. Now we will move to the next problem. A dishonest dealer professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses a weight of 960 gram for a kg weight. Find his gain percent. Okay, this is simple. So there is a formula to solve this problem, sir. Error percent is equal to my error by original value minus error into 100. Okay, students, tell me what is my error for 1000? It is 40, na? 1000 minus 960 is 40 grams. It is given kg, that means 1000 grams. Okay, so my error was 40. Original value is my 1000. 1000 minus 40 is nothing but my 960. So 14 by 960 is nothing but 0 0 goes. It will become 4 by 96. So 4 by 96 is nothing but how much? 0.0417. But it is saying that multiply by 100. Okay, then only we will get error percent, which is nothing but our profit percent. So we will multiply it by 100%, which will become my 4.17%. You got the answer. But sir, this is not the optimized way of solving. Okay, this is how 99% people solve, but we will not solve in this way. We will solve in such a way, say that in the question it is given that 960 gram for a kg. Sir, I am buying 1000 kg. Look at me. I am buying 1000 gram and I am selling 960 gram. I will repeat. I am buying 1000 gram and I am selling 960 grams. how much grams am I keeping with myself? 40 grams. Okay, so 40 gram over how many, like, am I selling 960? Then only I'm keeping my 40 gram, na? That means 40 by 960. Okay, so instead of remembering that formula, what we can do, see what is the comparison value. In this term, there is 1000 gram, and how much we are selling? This is 960. So 40, that means the how much we are keeping with myself, which is 40 by 960, which is nothing but my 4.70. So this is my answer. Now in the comment section, guys, tell me the answer of this question. A dishonest dealer professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses a weight of 800 gram for a kg weight, find his gain. Simple question, similar to the last problem. So please do like this video, share with your friends, and in the comments tell the answer, and do not forget to subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.